Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino, and today we are learning to record data by playing a fun game called Shake and Drop. I'll be using 10 counters for this activity, and they are two-sided. One side's yellow and the other side's red. If you have two-sided counters, you could join in too. You just need 10. So, let's get learning! Are you ready to shake, drop and predict? Okay, well first I'll place 10 counters into my cup. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, I'm going to shake. And then I'll drop. Can you tell how many red counters and how many yellow counters there are? Share your thinking with a friend. I wonder how many of each color you saw. Let's have another quick look. What if I sort them into two groups, sorting by color? How many of each color could you see this time? Tell someone near you what you saw. I wonder how many of each color you saw that time. Let's have one more look. I have this grid here, which I'm going to use to organize the colored counters. Let's arrange our sorted counters into two neat columns. Can you count how many of each color we have now? We just saw the same collection of counters in 3 different ways. Now I have a question for you. Which arrangement made it easier to see the number of counters? Was it the first way, all mixed up? The second way, sorted into colors? Or the third way, arranged in 2 neat columns? Pause it here to share your thinking. Okay, if you have two-sided counters, then it's time to play along. If not, that's okay. You can share your ideas with a friend or use a whiteboard. Let's go! While you count to check you have 10 counters, I'll scoop mine into my cup. Are your counters ready? Okay, well before you do anything with your counters, watch as I shake, shake, shake and drop. Now, before I reveal what is under the cup, use your counters to predict what I will show. How many red and how many yellow? I wonder how many red and yellow are under the cup. If there are others around you, you might have noticed that there are a few different predictions. Is it possible for someone to be correct? Is it possible for everyone to be correct? Is it possible for nobody to be correct? Now have a think about this question. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Is it possible for a third color to be dropped from the cup? For example, a blue counter or an orange counter. Is that possible? Thumbs are down. Why is that not possible? Something to explain to a friend. Okay, it's time to reveal what is under the cup. Ready? I'll arrange them onto the graph grid like this. I need to make sure both columns start at the same point. This way it makes it clear to compare. 5 red and 5 yellow. They're equal. Is that what you predicted? Okay, shall we play one more round of shake and drop? Pick up your counters while I pick up mine. Show your new prediction for our final round. Pause it here while you show your prediction to those around you. Okay, I hope you've made your prediction because it's time for round 3 of shake and drop. Shake, shake, shake. And drop. Once again, I'm arranging the counters onto the graph, making sure that both columns start at the same point down here. Look closely at your prediction and compare it to what I dropped. 7 red and 3 yellow. Is that what you predicted? Well, we've just had 3 great rounds of shake and drop. Now let's have a look at the 3 graphs we made for those rounds. As you have a look, I'll be asking you some questions. So have a look and have a think. Here is the graph from round 1. Which colour came out more? There were more yellow counters. And how many red counters were dropped? 4 red counters. Here's our graph from round 2. Which colour came out more? Which colour came out less? Or can you see that it's the same amount? They're equal. And here's the graph from round 3. Which colour came out less? The yellow counters. And how many yellow were dropped? 3. And finally, why were no green counters dropped? Were there any green counters inside this cup? No, there weren't. So would it be possible to drop green counters in this game? No, not possible. Well, thanks for playing Shake and Drop with me today, everyone. Now it's your turn to have some fun. You just need to grab a cup and 10 counters and you're ready to play. Remember to make a prediction before you drop and see how close you get. And once you've dropped, you could then place your counters onto the graph just like I did to record your result. Once you're confident with 10 counters, you could add another 10 counters and play Shake and Drop with 20. Have fun playing Shake and Drop, everyone. Happy learning and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.